All right, you're welcome again to Sir Pedro Maths class. So let's look at this question. The question says, construct an equation with roots, root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. So an equation having two roots means that is a what? A quadratic what? Equation. All right. And when you are solving a quadratic equation, forming the equation using a root, given roots, you quickly recall x squared minus sum of roots called alpha plus beta x plus product of roots you call alpha beta like this equal to 0. Okay, so with this in mind, so we're given a question that x is equal to root 2 plus 1, x equal to root 2 minus 1. So these are the roots. So what you do first of all, sum of roots is the alpha plus beta. Okay? So let's get it. So you sum these two together. So you have root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 minus 1. Okay? 1 minus 1 will go off. Root 2 plus root 2 will give us 2 root 2. So the sum is 2 root 2. Okay? So let's check the next one. The next one is product. Product of roots. Simply alpha beta. Okay? So you have root 2 plus 1 multiplying root 2 minus 1. Okay? So you expand this. So looking at this expression, this is a difference of two squares. Solution of difference of two squares. So quickly, this would be root 2 square minus 1 square. This will cancel this. So we are left with what? 2. 1 square is what? 1. We're left with what? 1. Okay. So now, what do? Substitute into the expression. So x squared, sum of roots, you have 2 root 2. Product of roots, you have what? This one, there's x here. You have what? You have 1 as the product equals to 0. Right? So this is the expression of what we are looking for. A very easy one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.